Welcome to English BioTalk. I'm Anna, your host, ready to guide you on your fluency journey.
And I'm Tom. We are so glad you're joining us today for another slow podcast designed to boost your English fluency.
That's right, Tom. Today we're tackling a topic that's super important for everyday communication: small talk.
Small talk. Yes, it's those short, friendly, and light conversations about easy-to-discuss topics.
Exactly. It might seem like just small talk, but it's how you connect with people in English. It opens doors to deeper conversations.
That's so true, Anna. And today, we're going to give you many useful phrases you can use right away in your daily life.
We'll speak slowly and clearly. Our goal is to make you feel more confident in any social situation.
Absolutely. Let's start with basic greetings and simple ways to initiate a conversation. These are essential for any interaction.
First up, let's talk about how to simply start a conversation. What can we say to open up a chat, Tom?
Well, a classic is, "How are you doing today?" It's simple, friendly, and polite.
Right. How are you doing today?
Or if you know the person, you can ask, "How have you been?"
How have you been? Perfect. It shows you care. What about at work or school? How's your day going? How was your weekend?
Good point. Or just good morning, good afternoon, or good evening. Always appropriate.
Okay, Tom, let's move on to the weather. It's a universal topic for small talk.
It really is. It's such a safe subject.
So you could simply start with, "Lovely weather today, isn't it?"
Lovely weather today, isn't it? Or terrible weather today, isn't it?
Right. Or, "It's a beautiful day." Or, "The weather is really nice today."
You can also ask, "What's the weather like where you are?"
What's the weather like where you are? That's a good way to involve the other person.
You can also make a prediction or observation. It looks like it might rain later. Or, "The sun feels great today."
Yeah, "The sun feels great today." Or, "It's so hot today, isn't it?" Or, "It's freezing cold."
Next, let's talk about giving a simple compliment or making a positive observation.
Good idea, Tom. A simple "I like your shirt" can go a long way in starting a positive interaction and making someone smile.
"I like your shirt." Easy and kind. Or, "That's a nice jacket. Where did you find it?"
Perfect. Or an observation like, "This coffee is really good here." Or, "This place is quite busy today, isn't it?"
"This place is busy today." Yes, that's a natural and shared observation. A great way to start if you're both waiting in line.
If you're at an event or party, you could say, "This is a great party." Or, "I'm enjoying the music here tonight."
Right, I'm enjoying the music. It shows you're engaged and finding something positive to say.
You can also compliment someone's work or a specific achievement. "Great job on that presentation." Or, "That was a smart idea."
Yeah, great job on that presentation. That's very encouraging. Or about a skill, "You're very good at that."
Moving on, let's talk about weekend plans or recent leisure activities.
This is a very popular one, especially on a Monday morning or Friday afternoon. You can ask, "Do you have any plans for the weekend?"
Do you have any plans for the weekend? Or for a Monday, "What did you do last weekend?" Perfect for catching up with friends or colleagues.
Yeah, "What did you do last weekend?" is a real staple for starting the work week, or even Sunday evenings if you're chatting.
And if you're into entertainment, did you watch any good movies or TV shows recently? This is a very common question, almost universal.
Did you watch any good movies recently? Or read any good books lately? These are great for finding common interests.
Those are great. What about more general hobbies? Do you have any interesting hobbies outside of work or school?
Do you have any hobbies? A little more personal, but great if the conversation is flowing well and you feel comfortable. Good one, Anna. Are you doing anything fun after work today? And if someone is leaving for a trip, going anywhere nice for your vacation? Definitely needed. You could easily ask, "How's work going for you these days?" It's polite and shows interest.
How's work going for you? Or if you know what specific project they are working on, how's your project coming along?
How's your project coming along? That's specific and shows genuine interest in their work, which is always good for building rapport.
Yeah. Or simply, busy day today? When you see someone at their desk or grabbing a coffee in the break room.
Busy day today? Simple and effective. Or, are you working on anything interesting at the moment?
Are you working on anything interesting? That definitely invites them to share more about their tasks and current projects. Oh yes, or have a good evening if it's later in the afternoon. Very polite and a nice way to end your workday interactions. That's a great way to keep the conversation going and engage them further. You could simply say, "What do you think about?"
What do you think about the new coffee shop around the corner? Or, what do you think about the movie that just came out?
Exactly. Keep it light. Do you like this new restaurant? Is another very good one to ask, especially if you're eating out.
Do you like this new restaurant? Simple and direct. Or, have you tried the new menu item at the cafeteria?
Good. And you can ask, "What are your thoughts on this new policy?" if it's work-related but not too sensitive or personal.
What are your thoughts? That sounds very natural and invites a discussion while still being informal. Absolutely, Anna. Can I help you with anything? Is always appreciated, especially if someone looks a bit lost or confused.
Can I help you with anything? Or a slightly longer version, please let me know if you need anything at all.
Let me know if you need anything. That's very kind and thoughtful. Or a simple, "after you," when holding a door open for someone.
A simple act of politeness goes a long way. Or, "Excuse me, is this seat taken?" if you need to sit down next to someone.
Excuse me, always start with that. And do you mind if I... When you need to do something like open a window in a shared space.
Yeah, do you mind if I open the window? Very considerate and shows respect for the other person in a shared environment. Great point. You could say, "Do you come here often?" if you're in a new place like a cafe, a park, or a gym. It's a classic.
Do you come here often? That's a classic for a reason. It invites them to share about themselves and their routine.
Or, "How do you know the host?" if you're at a party or a social event where you don't know everyone.
How do you know the host? Or, are you from around here originally? This is good for finding common geographical links.
Are you from around here? And what brings you to this event? if it's a specific gathering, like a conference.
Right. Finding those shared points really helps to build rapport quickly. I think we met at the workshop last week, right?
Yeah, confirming a previous connection is always good and makes the other person feel remembered. I think we have a class together on Tuesdays.
And sometimes, Anna, you just need to respond. How do we keep the conversation flowing and show we're listening?
So, Tom, we've gone through so many useful small talk sentences and phrases today, covering a wide range of everyday situations.
We really have, Anna. I think we covered well over 100 practical phrases now for everyday situations that our listeners can use.
Yes, and the most important thing to remember is to just try. Don't be afraid to make mistakes when you speak English.
Exactly. Small talk is all about practice, practice, practice. The more you do it, the more natural and easier it will become over time.
Start with just 1 or 2 sentences you feel really comfortable with. How's your day going? Is always a fantastic, safe start.
Right. And remember, most people truly appreciate the effort. They want to connect with you too, so don't be shy or nervous to try.
Absolutely. So keep practicing these phrases. Listen to this episode again and again to repeat and perfect your pronunciation at your own slow pace.
This has been English Bio Talk. We hope this podcast has helped you feel more confident for your English conversations.